In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable keyboard sound. You can simply turn off keyboard sound without even being in silent mode. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of accessibility. Then head into the section of physical and motor. In this section, select the second last option of keyboards. On this page, select this option right here. Make sure to disable the last option of sound off. Your keyboard sound will get disabled successfully even when your iPhone isn't in silent mode. That's how easy it is to disable keyboard sound without putting your phone in silent mode. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.